Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of Tesla Model 3 accessories with what we believe to be the best floor mats available, the Meisu floor mats for Tesla Model 3. Thanks for tuning in. If you're a proud owner of a Tesla Model 3 like myself, you know how important it is to keep your car looking sleek and protected from the elements. And that's where these Meisu floor mats come in. These floor mats are specifically designed for the 2017 to 2023 Tesla Model 3, so you can trust that they'll fit your car like a glove. Plus, they're made using state-of-the-art laser precision technology, ensuring a tailored fit and maximum driving comfort. Now, let's talk materials. These mats are crafted from thermoplastic elastomer, a non-toxic and odorless material that's tough, durable, and easy to clean. Say goodbye to traditional PVC mats that wear out quickly and emit unpleasant odors. One of the standout features of these mats is their all-weather protection. Whether it's scorching hot or freezing cold outside, these mats will hold up. They're highly durable, abrasion-resistant, and flexible, providing comprehensive protection from dirt, mud, salt, rain, snow, sand, and even scratches. Installation is a breeze. Just remove your old floor mats and slide these bad boys into place. And when it comes time to clean them, simply shake them out or hose them down. No bulky vacuums or harsh chemicals required. With a 4.7-star rating and glowing reviews from Tesla owners, it's clear that these Meisu floor mats are a hit. So, if you want to protect your Tesla Model 3 while adding a touch of style, look no further than the Meisu floor mats. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay stylish.